What's up, internet marketer? Zyke Paz. I got my new course available now. It's 100% free. I'm going to show you how to get retargeted traffic back to your site. I'm also going to give you options to get free traffic to your site, and then later on, if you want, retarget them. I'm going to show you how to bank your traffic using pixels. I'm going to show you how to advertise to your traffic in a very cheap way using YouTube, but without video and without paying for CPM. Instead, you're gonna be paying for cost per click at a very discounted price. Really good stuff. All this free method, this entire free method, everything. You hear my son? He's down there. He's down here. Anyways, the whole method is yours. Just check it out. The templates, the resources. Check out all of the information down below. Let me know what you think. Right now, I'm in the wheat fields of Izuka, Japan. The wheat's about to get harvested, turned into beer and bread. Some of the best things in life. Okay, let me know what you think. Be good. Take care.